Okay, so here is my experiment, cleaning chemical reactions. So in the beginning, I thought my guess was that vinegar, fire, and maybe lemon juice would clean the best. So what my result was, which ones clean the best? Fire did not actually help at all. It's destroying fiat. Okay, so this is the fire one, right here. Mm-hmm. It warped it really bad. And so the one that did clean the best is lemon juice. You want to come look here, lemon juice is the cleanest. Mm-hmm. And I tried to get them all the same amount of clean as much as we could. And then these are the same faces from the beginning. So lemon juice cleaned the best because I think a lot of germs on pennies are from people touching them or little kids putting them in their mouth. So I think the lemon juice, since if you've drank lemon water, you should know that it's really healthy for you and that it goes inside and kills all your germs. So I think this killed all the germs from other people that aren't good anymore and that have gone bad, and any germs close to it. So that's why that one worked the best. And vinegar, since vinegar has lots of acids in it, like lemon juice, I think vinegar definitely did clean it pretty good, but not the best. So if I were to do the top three, it would be lemon juice, vinegar and baking soda. So also, so vinegar and baking soda did work because it had a reaction. It was probably killing some stuff in that reaction. And also, this one didn't really work. It would only be helpful if you're teaching kids not to put money in their mouth. The spicy barbecue sauce, and the salt. That would be good. So probably the reasons that all these other ones didn't clean is because they don't have the same acids. Like these two, after I was done, I'm like, oh, I have a great idea. I haven't done these two yet, but mix these two and see how good would it clean. So my project today, because earlier this morning, I was just showing people. So I have 7 really dirty pennies that I'm gonna soak in lemon juice, each 20 or 30 minutes. And we're gonna see how good it cleans. And also, I think the fire, because it didn't warp it, there are a bunch of metals on it that probably, or germs and acid that probably got stuck to it and then got melted on there. Got melted on there. And also, the natural law that I learned was acid products clean the best. Mm-hmm. So I think acids are kind of it's hard to explain acids, but everybody kind of has that feeling. Oh, acids are they burn stuff and kill it. So that's probably what the acids did. And also, this is before, right here. You can't really see it that good. But, and the thing that I did learn is that next time, so there are 2 things. Next time I should take the acid products, if I can remember this, to take the acid products, the most acid ones, since lemon juice is number 1 and vinegar is number 2, and take those and mix them. They could get a reaction or something like that. And the other one that I learned is I didn't originally choose this product. This experiment in all of these. My mom, so I was gonna do one with acid that was burning through paper, but I think it's good to get the basics of acid and cleaning stuff. So I think that next time I'll try to choose one sooner, before it's the last minute, and that's my project.